the picture. Nice. Wow, right. Arrange picture. Can you help me? For making these birds perfect. Yes, follow the fine picture. No. Yeah, nice. Yeah, good job. Wow, fantastic. Yeah, perfect. No. Yeah. This is beautiful bird. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Pink bird and blue bird. Yeah. Wow. Fall in love with the bird. Yeah, fantastic. Wow, arrange the picture for making perfect butterfly. Yes. Yeah. Perfect. Wow, fantastic. Wow, amazing. Yeah. Nice. This is the beautiful butterfly. Wow, become a perfect butterfly. And then, many flowers there. Red flower, purple flower, and yellow flower. And the last one is blue flower. Wow. Yeah. Can you help butterfly for choose the one of flower? Yeah, yellow flower. Nice. And then flower. Wow, fantastic. Yellow flower. Yeah, yellow flower. Butterfly. Choose blue flower. No. Wow. Butterfly choose the yellow flower. Yellow flower very heavy. And then last one. Butterfly choose the blue flower. Yeah. Wow. Next, arrange the picture for making custle. Nice. Wow. Fantastic. Yeah. Good job. Wow. Nice. Wow, perfect. This is the perfect castle. Yeah, amazing. Wow. Okay, the last one. Yeah, perfect. Wow, that's the castle. Wow. Is there a monster? Wow. Yeah. Let's go. Come in. Wow. Wow, the beautiful queen. Wow. Hi, friend. Yeah. Wow. Monster again. Wow. Yeah. Wow, queen, no, queen. Come in, queen. Wow. We are the winner. Yeah. Thank you, friend. The castle is very beautiful.